Hi, I'm Jennifer from the Sewing Room. Today we're going to talk about needles and thread tension. So this is a very interesting topic for me because people are always worried about the tension on their machine. And 90% of the time, you don't really need to worry about the tension on the machine. The tension should be in these modern machines, in these modern easy machines, you need to keep it in the middle. On this one, it's at the 4. So there's usually 3 or 4 different things that have marking around them, and that's just your standard tension. I keep mine in the middle at all times. What I do change for the type of fabric that I have is my needle size. So if I'm using a lightweight stretch fabric, come in here, let's see if I can get you in focus. I use a Schmetz 7511. And then say I am doing a lightweight chiffon. Then I use a lightweight needle. This one is a Schmetz 88. And then if I'm doing heavy duty fabric, I use this Jeans 110 18 needle. I'm trying to read it backwards. So basically, you want to buy needles for the type of fabric that you have. Keep your tension the same unless it's very, very fine or very, very thick. And depending on the type of machine you have, you may be even able to adjust the presser foot height and for the type of fabric that you have. These basic machines don't have that. That's a sort of a really expensive machine addition. But in any regard, I hope that helped you today, and I look forward to seeing you soon.